Hey everyone, welcome back to Our Teen Summers. We're here at the Albuquerque Balloon Fiesta. Yay, we're all so excited. We've had a fun morning. We missed the dawn patrol. We got here about 6:30, but they were putting up all the balloons for the mass ascension. But unfortunately, even though it's beautiful, perfect weather down here, they said up a little bit higher, the winds are just too strong. So we're not gonna get to see the mass ascension, but hopefully tomorrow or maybe the next day. But we're having a great time. The kids are off running around collecting the trading cards for all the balloons, and we are just hanging out here. If you check out behind us, you can see lots of balloons. They've already started to put down quite a bit, but there's still awesome sight to see.
Yep, and something else that we got to do this morning was the morning glow. All the flames that were set up, getting the balloons ready to go, they all lit off at the same time. And that was just amazing to see because it was dark out, and you know, with 300 flames going, it gets warm really quick and it gets bright really quick. So that's it for us.
All right, we'll see you again soon.
All right, thanks everyone. Carter, did you see it? What'd you think about it? Carter?
You like it? Yeah.
No, Carter, what'd you think about it?
It's loud.
It loud? Was it really cool? Yeah? Awesome. You want to go see another one?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Can you go?
I doubt it.